Welcome to our series of videos looking at the Projects tab inside Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at organizing the books in your series. So as you can see, right now we have one book for the Three Little Pigs. So let's go ahead and add a few more. We can simply click on the plus icon and edit the details. We'll name this book The Wolf Strikes Back and click Save. And we'll add a third book and edit the details. We'll call this one Return of Mother Pig. And click Save again. And now we have our trilogy set up. And if we go to the book chooser in the top left, you can see we have our three books in order: The Three Little Pigs, Wolf Strikes Back, and Return of Mother Pig. But if you'd like to change the order of your books, you can simply hover over the book you want to move, click and drag and drop, and put it in its new position. So now Return of Mother Pig is the second book, and The Wolf Strikes Back is the third book. And if we go to our book chooser, we can see the change has been reflected in the order here: Three Little Pigs, Return of Mother Pig, and then The Wolf Strikes Back. And we can do the same to return them to their original order. So that covers reordering your books in the Projects view of Plottr. Make sure to leave any questions in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel for all the latest news and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.